Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Best Buy gift card. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your any web browser and type in bestbuy.com and press enter on the keyboard. Sign in to your account if necessary, and once you are in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop down, click on account, scroll down, and under how we can help you, click on check gift card balance. Now on the next page, you can select either physical gift card option or e-gift card option. Select the type of gift card you are trying to redeem by simply selecting it. Now head over to the right side and enter your gift card number and in the text box. The gift card number will be located at the back of your gift card. You can simply remove the metallic strip from your card and you will be able to reveal your gift card number along with your PIN code. After typing in your gift code, move on the next field and type in your PIN number and finally click on check balance. After you click on check balance, you will be able to see your balance available on your gift card and therefore you will be able to redeem it on Best Buy. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.